This video will show you how to replace the fog lamp bulbs on a Chrysler Town Country. You'll have one of these located inside of each one of your fog lamp assemblies. Let's get into it. Now, from under the front corner of either side of the front bumper cover, this is where we can see the rear of our fog lamp assembly. We're going to start by disconnecting the electrical connector leading to the bulb. As far as this is concerned, you're going to find you have a locking tab. I'm pressing it in. We'll pull that out of place. Just a quick inspection for corrosion. We'll set that aside. Now that we have the electrical connector disconnected, we're going to be holding on to each of the two locking ears. There's one here, there's one on the opposite side. We're going to squeeze them in towards each other and pull the bulb out of place. It should slide straight rearward. There it is, friend. Now, prior to installing our part, let's make sure we clean and inspect our mounting area. For this, I'm using a clean rag, no detergents. I don't want anything making its way inside the assembly. Let's prepare to install that fog lamp bulb. There's something that I want to note about this. Now, if you were looking closely at the fog lamp assembly where the bulb would go, you can see right here and right here, there's two small slots. One directly up above here. Those are essentially for the alignment tabs on the bulb itself. Now, if you were looking at the bulb, you're going to find that you have two tabs on one side and one on the other. You know what to do. Go ahead and line it up and press it in. Okay, this looks like it's aligned properly. I'm going to press it in while I'm holding on the far side. Audible click from both of those locking tabs, and it is properly secured in place. It's time for the electrical connector. The electrical connector will have a locking tab. We want to have that facing in the proper direction. Press that in. Double check, make sure that's secured as well. One last quick inspection in this area. Now, at this point, if you're intending on replacing both the bulbs at the same time, which we typically would recommend, go over to the other side of the vehicle, repeat this exact same process. Other than that, you can make your way out from under the vehicle. Okay, friend, we finished our installation. Now, the next thing you want to do, of course, is to test the functionality. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.